We will try to insert a horizontal scroll within this page. Okay, let's try this. First, you have to open the fragment gallery if you want to place it here. So it's under layout, press main src. When you open, you'll see the layout is currently empty. We insert a container. So I choose horizontal scroll view, put it onto the page. Okay, then it will have this error, missing constraint layout. So it must have a constraint for this horizontal scroll. Okay, so this one, yeah. Once you insert, it'll become one of the element in component tree. Horizontal scroll view will fix the error. So you see it must have constraint, so I'll fix this. Let's say 50 pixel from the top, and from the left maybe 1 is enough. Okay, next we'll have a layout inside horizontal view. So I put linear layout horizontal, put it inside. To know whether you have done it correctly or not, now under horizontal scroll view, linear layout is inside horizontal scroll view. Okay, next we will insert an image, widget image. The image I put it under the another way to insert, either you put it here or you put it here under linear layout. Okay, then you choose an image. You choose MMU logo. Okay, so now we can see the structure is correct. Image under linear layout and horizontal view. Next, I will duplicate this image several times. Control C to copy and then paste. Control V, 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 V. Okay, and then the linear layout, currently it's vertical, so it's going down. We want it to go for horizontal. So to change this linear layout, sometimes, even though we choose horizontal, but it's changing to change to a vertical. So I change it here. Under attribute, let's check the attribute. Change to horizontal. Okay, now let's play the app in the test the app in the phone. So if you done, you get in gallery, you get okay, something like this. Okay, I open fragment home. I will try to do a vertical scrolling. This one is done by inserting a layout. Here we choose, let's say we choose container scroll view. So the scroll view, again, you must specify the constraint. Let's see, 10 pixel from the top, then okay, 10 pixel from the left. Okay, then we'll insert the vertical. So it's an example of vertical scrolling. Scroll view, layout vertical, then we insert an image. Again, I go to image view, put it under linear layout, and then choose any of your images. Okay, one image. Okay, the image is here under linear layout. Linear layout must be under scroll view. So alright, so cannot drag and drop. I can cut and paste. Again, scroll view have linear layout. Linear layout have image. So this is the correct structure. Scroll view. Okay, this is the correct structure if you want to do vertical scrolling. Scroll view, linear layout, and then put the image, and then maybe we put another image. And avatar, okay. So now we have MMU logo, avatar. I copy this both and paste again. Itu proceed, then we paste it. Control V. Okay, so it's repeating. Now scroll view have error here. No speakable text present. Sometimes the error can be ignored. You run the demo, and then if the error is okay, now we see that some of the element does not appear correctly, particularly this avatar. So the avatar, you need to choose another image. Okay, here I got a scroll view. Under scroll view, I have linear layout vertical, and then under linear layout vertical, I insert a few images. Okay, now if you use your mouse wheel, there are a few images here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can adjust the size of the scroll view. Here I set the height to 400, and if you play, sometimes there's a problem. You will get a problem where some of the images does not appear. Okay, for example, here appear, appear. Okay, here it's missing. So my suggestion is, if that happen, you just repeat the remove the image and insert again. That's the solution. Okay, strange, but it works. Okay, example here, this third image doesn't appear. Okay, so first, second appear. So first, second is okay. This one we remove, delete, and insert again. That's the solution. Okay, so this one, after the third image is deleted, I insert again. Okay, image view. Sometimes you have to remove and insert again, then it will work. Okay, this one I click okay. So first, second, third, pause. Okay, this one also doesn't work. So I delete this one and insert again. That's the solution. Just insert the image again. Okay, now we have 5 images. Now if you refresh, okay, now if you scroll, okay, now all images appear. We have 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the solution, if your image is already inserted but doesn't appear, you just delete and insert again. Okay, so same goes if I add another one. Sometimes, okay, you insert, let's say, another MMU logo at the end, refresh. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. What is this? Okay, this one is the AB text home. It's from the variable. So if you are not using it, you can delete the AB text home. You can move it elsewhere. Okay, so AB text home, let's say you want to move it elsewhere. So you can put a constraint. This one is maybe we put it at the bottom. So if I want to cancel the constraint, just click somewhere here, and then let's say I want the text to be 10 pixel from the bottom. Now AB text home will appear somewhere at the bottom. Okay, this is home fragment is 10 pixel from the bottom. Okay, home gallery. So we have both horizontal and vertical scrolling.